Let's talk Azure Table Storage. Azure Table Storage is a fascinating service in Microsoft Azure's extensive portfolio, particularly aimed at NoSQL data storage. This service is engineered for storing large amounts of structured, non-relational data, enabling highly scalable and flexible operations without the constraints of a fixed schema. Types. Azure Table Storage primarily exists as a service within Azure's storage account offering, but it's crucial to note that it's also available as a part of Azure's Cosmos DB, providing additional capabilities such as global distribution and enhanced query performance. Features. Scalability, designed to handle massive volumes of data and scale horizontally. Schemaless, offers flexibility to store complex data types without a fixed schema. Partitioning, automatic sharding based on partition keys for optimized data access. Cost efficiency, generally more cost-effective compared to traditional relational databases. Data consistency, provides options for strong or eventual consistency. Purpose and usage. Azure Table Storage is versatile, making it suitable for a range of applications. Log storage, ideal for storing log files or diagnostic information. User data, storing user profiles, preferences, or state information. Metadata storage, often used to hold configuration or state metadata for cloud applications. Making use of Azure Table Storage. 1. Initialization. Head to the Azure portal and create a new table within a storage account or within a Cosmos DB account. 2. Schema definition. Though it's schemaless, you do define initial columns, properties, and types, typically via code. 3. Data insertion. Populate the table using Azure SDKs or REST APIs. 4. Queries. Execute queries using LINQ, in .NET, or other query languages supported by SDKs. In summary, what? Azure Table Storage is a NoSQL data storage service for storing structured, non-relational data types, available within Azure Storage account and as a part of Azure Cosmos DB. Features, notable for its scalability, schema-less design, automatic partitioning, cost efficiency, and data consistency options. Purpose and usage, suited for applications like log storage, user data storage, and metadata management. Utilization, set up through the Azure portal and can be populated and queried programmatically via Azure SDKs or REST APIs. Thanks for watching.